Hi friends, welcome back to Bodhi.learnings. Welcome to my new video. Today's video is going to be extremely important as in this video we are going to talk about a hidden secret with the help of which we can attract money in abundance, that is huge money in our life. Friends, here I am not talking about a hypothetical situation. I am talking about gaining wealth in this lifetime, in your present life. After knowing this secret, you will be able to live your life the way you wish, in case you are able to apply this secret correctly in your life. Friends, there are some extremely rich personalities who have used this secret in their life, and after using it, prosperity has completely transformed their life. Now, some of these people did not want to keep this secret to themselves only. So they decided to share this secret with Rohnda Byrne, who is a very renowned author and has written a very famous book, The Secret, so that Rohnda Byrne could share this secret with the whole world, and this way they can help many people who are struggling with financial challenges. With the help of the secret shared in this book, you can use law of attraction in a right way and can achieve anything you desire for, anything that you think is impossible and you can't achieve ever in your life. This book tells us what the secret is, how powerful the secret is, how to use this secret, and what is the secret to money, relationships, secret to health, secret to you, and secret to your life. Friends, part 1 of this secret book I have already shared in my previous videos. Do watch it. After watching that video, you will be able to better understand my today's video on how to attract money into your life. So let's get started. Jack Canfield, whose childhood was spent in an environment of narrow thinking, wherein his father had a strong belief that only bad people own money. Whosoever is rich in this world, they all have deceived someone or the other, which means that they have fetched the right of poor people. And if you will also think about becoming rich, you will also be counted as a bad person. And he also used to say that money doesn't grow on trees. So after spending childhood in such kind of environment, Jack also started to develop same thoughts until he met Clement Stone. Jack says that meeting Clement brought a huge shift into his life. Jack and Clement used to work together. Clement was a rich man. One day, Clement said to Jack that I want you to have a very big goal in your life, a goal that will give you a blow in your head once you achieve it, which means that if you achieve that goal, you also get surprised as how you achieved that goal. That time, Jack used to earn $8,000 per annum. So he decided to make a big goal, and he made a goal to make $100,000 in a year. He had no idea as when and how he is going to fulfill his dream, and he hasn't made any strategy to achieve it. But one thing he definitely did that Clement had told him, and that was to believe, which means he declared this to himself and to universe and had complete belief that his dream will be fulfilled no matter what. And the most important thing he did was he started acting like as if his goal is already achieved. Friends, now this is very important to note down. Clement had told Jack that every day for some time he has to close his eyes and visualize that his dream is already fulfilled. He has to visualize every day whatever he desires for, and he has to feel it deeply from inside. So the first thing Jack did was he wrote a check of $100,000 and pasted it on the ceiling of his room. So whenever he used to look up, that check reminded him of his goal, and then he used to close his eyes and visualize his dream coming true. He used to visualize the lifestyle he would live after achieving $100,000. Now the interesting part was that nothing significant happened in next 30 days in Jack's life. Neither anybody gave him that much money, nor he got any breakthrough ideas to achieve his target. But even then, he continued believing and practiced visualization daily. And friends, after 1 month passed, an amazing thought struck in Jack's mind. Jack had written some book earlier. He thought if he would be able to sell 400 copies of that book in every 3 months, he would definitely be able to achieve $100,000 and will achieve his target. But he had no idea at the same time as how he is going to do it. One day, Jack saw a National Enquirer in a supermarket, which he had seen many times earlier also, but that never clicked him. This time he thought that if readers will get to know about my book, they would definitely want to read it. After almost 6 weeks, a lady approached Jack in some event, and she said she would like to take his interview. Friends, this lady was a freelance writer and she used to sell stories on National Enquirer. And the moment that article got published, Jack's sales started to increase incredibly. And friends, Jack earned $92,300, which was very much close to $100,000. This was truly amazing. Law of attraction had worked wondrously. Friends, very important point to notice here is that Jack was attracting everything in his life that could help him to achieve his goal, like attracting such events, such people, such ideas, such platforms, etc. So friends, the secret that you need to understand is that whenever you have a goal, an inspired thought, give your whole heart into it. Believe in it completely as if you have already received it. Now, Jack's wife asked Jack that the way law of attraction has worked for $100,000, can it work for $1 million also? Jack said, "Come on, let's try." Friends, you will be astonished to know that after a few days, Jack's publisher gave him a royalty check of exactly $1 million. Jack says that whenever he tested this secret, it worked incredibly in his life. Now, every single day, Jack lives his life by applying this secret. Friends, this secret and law of attraction can be used in your life in every sphere, every area. Then why not to achieve immense wealth? In order to attract money in your life, you just need to focus on wealth. Instead of thinking that you do not have enough money, send signals to the universe through your thoughts that you have enough money and you can afford anything. By doing this, you will start feeling good instantly, and the moment you will start feeling good, abundance will start flowing into your life quickly and at a very fast pace. Friends, money, wealth, it's same for everyone, but people who think negative and think that they do not have enough money, they are blocking their money, which means that the money gets blocked and stuck in the universe before it reaches out to you, whether it is money or your good fortune. Friends, author says that whatever you desire in life, the only shortcut to achieve it is be happy and feel happy. And keep on doing your present work happily and joyfully. When you will do this, you will start attracting all such things in life that brings happiness and joy, whether it is huge money or good health. You just have to radiate such signal to the universe so that in return you get all that stuff in abundance from the universe in the form of pictures and experiences. The law of attraction is reflecting back your innermost thoughts and feelings as your life. Friends, Dr. Joe Vitale is trying to tell us that in case till now you have been thinking that if you are in a job, that is the only way to earn money and there is no other way and you cannot earn enough money through your job, so you shouldn't be even thinking of abundance. So friends, here you are absolutely wrong. You need to shift your thought process here. You need to understand that abundance is waiting for you. Being rich is your birthright and it is not your job to think as how you will make money. Your only job is to just believe that you are receiving money in abundance and just feel happy for now and concentrate on your present work. Rest, leave everything up to universe. Your wealth is waiting for you. Make it visible through your thoughts by thinking wealth. So friends, now you know the secret, and the key to the secret is lying with you, and the key is your thoughts and your feelings, and this key will remain with you through your entire life. So friends, set your thoughts on the frequency of happiness and radiate good feelings to the universe and bring joy within you. Author has assured that if you do this and use this secret correctly in your life, you will feel heaven on earth. So thank you so much friends for watching this video. I will see you soon with my new video, and very soon I will share the other parts of this book, The Secret, also. Till then, take good care of yourself. And if you really like my today's content, do press like and share. And those who are new to my channel, do subscribe to Bodhi Tree Learnings. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care. Love you. Bye-bye.